Welcome to MBA Market Business Africa. So the question is that is starting a business of cocoa farming in Ghana good? You need to understand one thing. Few hundreds years ago, the European monster came and destroyed the entire Africa. But the problem is that they are still looting Africa, even including Ghana. For example, the Belgium. Belgium buy the raw cocoa from Ghana and then they bring back or they process the cocoa themselves and turn into chocolate. The same chocolate go back to Ghana and is sold on the supermarket and around the world. In my opinion, every kind of raw product should be banned, especially for the European country. No, there should not be any kind of cocoa supplies to European Belgium. Ghanaian people can turn the cocoa into chocolate by themselves. I'm a little bit deviating from the question about is cocoa farming good in Ghana. The answer is yes, but what value you are adding? You should not only start cocoa farming, you should also do cocoa processing. Why should Belgium, the terrorist country, should buy your cocoa and process and turn into chocolate and put a crappy label made in Belgium? Why? Why? My answer is why. Belgium, do not forget the Congo genocide. Some people say why I do not call Boko Haram a terrorist group. Why I do not call Al-Shabaab a terrorist group. Firstly, calling someone terrorist, you are closing the door of negotiation. You're closing the door of trying to talk to a solution. There should always be a door open for the negotiation. Like in February 2018, the USA Treasury Department pulled the Afghan Taliban from the terrorist list. In 2019, the Canadian military stopped calling Taliban the terrorists. They start calling them militant. Why? Because they want to negotiate. And my major reason why I do not call Boko Haram, even they kill a lot of innocent people, even they massacre so many Christians, because you do not call Belgium, France a terrorist. Once you started calling France a terrorist country, Belgium a terrorist country, UK a terrorist country, every country which come and looted Africa, including Italy, I will call them terrorists. When you're not willing to call France, Belgium, do not forget the animal zoo in France. Do not forget how they bring the genital of female from Congo to Belgium. Do not forget every single European country will looted Africa. So yes, starting a business is very good. Only the minor hurdle I can see is that in Ghana the development in the rural area is not quite good. What I'm talking about is the infrastructure, especially the roads are not like solid. So you really have to figure that out. What kind of equipment you are going to use? Are you going to like mostly like for like small trader they do cocoa farming and then they transport on the motorbike? Like, are you going to use motorbike for the transportation? Where you are going to store? Just try to figure out where will be your warehouse, where will be storage facility, and what kind of grade of cocoa you are going to use. Are you going to use the Ruby cocoa? Ruby cocoa is still very rare in Ghana, but what I'm seeing is gaining a lot of attraction. The Ruby cocoa is a new big thing. And then finally, try to process the cocoa by yourself. Turn the Ghana cocoa into some kind of product which you can directly sell to consumer and export around the world. You can export the cocoa if you want, but in my opinion, export to an Asian country. Do not export to a single crappy European country. Stay away, because they are going to take your cocoa and turn into chocolate and put their label. No. Africa have to rise. African countries have to rise. The first step you have to take. Yeah, overall it's a great business idea. MBA, Market Business Africa. Bye.